Welcome back everyone to KidMadeModern events. I'm your host Laurie. Thanks so much for joining us again today. Today we have our very fun guest MJ. You might remember MJ from at There's Good in Store. She is an awesome illustrator, educator, and graphic designer, and she has another amazing art lesson for us today on color fields. I can't wait to learn more from her today. Her videos are awesome. So have so much fun, and thanks so much MJ for joining us again.
Hi everyone, I'm MJ Kocovski, and I'm back with another lesson. Today we're going to talk about color field.
Color can have us feel different kinds of emotions. We know on our color wheel that we have the three primary colors, and then from there those colors can help us build other colors, right? And purple.
What color is the room that you're in right now? As you can see, I'm in a white room, but I often love to be surrounded by color. What colors inspire you? Let's explore that today as we talk about the art movement called color field. It was started in the 1940s and the 1950s and took place mostly in New York City. But the artists who created these broad paintings full of color still inspire a lot of art that we create today, including my own. If you want to take a deeper dive into some of the artists who were involved in the color field movement, take a look at artists like Mark Rothko, Jean Miro, Helen Frankenthaler, and Clyfford Still. Because the painters in the color field movement were part of the broader movement of abstract expressionism, they thought a lot about how they applied color to the canvas. Some of them used specific painting techniques to create texture with the paint. Others actually stained their canvas. Since canvas is a fabric, it can be stained different colors. And they all work to evoke some emotion and some response by presenting a broad field of color. Because we're each individuals, we all interpret colors differently. A bright red might make you feel energized and passionate, or it might make you feel angry and upset.
Colors are considered warm or cool based on the tones they have. Typically, red, orange, and yellow are considered warm colors. Green, blue, and purple would be considered cool colors. And sometimes when you place the colors right next to each other, you can feel different kinds of vibrations on the inside. Color field art is often painted on really large canvases, so these are not life-size. These are just representations. This one here is from Jean Miro, and you can see how he mixed some warm colors with some cool colors. A little bit of black here, and a surprising bit of warmth in this red dot. And this is Helen Frankenthaler. Her colors are a little bit less contrasting and almost feel like they're blending into each other. Clyfford Still has a lot of contrast in his blacks and his whites and his yellows. These are all representation of Mark Rothko's paintings. Again, these are in real life very large and would cover a whole wall. But you can see maybe you feel a little bit differently when you see these colors against the black than you do about these colors with a little bit of orange around their background. The coloring page you'll have today is in Mark Rothko's style, just some rectangles of color to create. And I want you to have a chance to do two different of the same pattern so you can see if they feel different when you use the different colors.
I've created a really simple coloring page for you with basic shapes so that you can explore the color field idea. Take some colors that you really love, some colors that you might not be as attracted to, and put them next to each other. How does that feel? How does the way that you apply the paint to the surface change the feeling of the entire composition? And that's all from me, friends. Thank you so much for having me back here on KidMadeModern. I hope you have fun with color field and enjoy the colors around you. If you want to find more about my work, you can go to @There's Good in Store on Instagram, and I hope to see you again soon. Until then,